Welcome po. Let's start to our company. It's International Marketing Group, IMG. At ngayon pa lang po, sinasabi ko na hindi po kami networking company. Although I don't have any problem with networking company. IMG is not a networking company. No? And our mission is to educate, financially educate 1 million families by 2020, next year. Dapat matapos na. So we will know by our March convention, ilan na ang total, no? From the last count, is more than 400,000. So I'm sure we're gonna even exceed the 1 million goal. And our aim talaga is financial education. Sabi mga dyan mo, financial education. At anong in-educate namin? Ito po, yung secret. The secret to saving and building your future. Your future. Hindi my future. Building your future. So, hindi lang yung knowledge, no? You will learn the secret. Ang tindi. Maraming hindi nakakaalam na ito, and you're so blessed. I'm so blessed to be able to share to you. Ano yung secret na yan? So that you can take care and take control of your money. Diba? Alam yan, walang money, may control. With the secrets, you'll be able to learn that. And it's all about love. Tama-tama, Valentine's. No? Katatapos lang. Hindi ko sure kung lahat tayo merong kainit na Valentine's. Ikaw, nakarent ka pa, kuya, meron pa yung Valentine's sa'yo. And I tell you, what we teach here is all about love. The knowledge all about love. Love of self, love of neighbors, love of family. And you'll understand what I'm talking about in a short while. But now, I would like to request everybody to stand up so we can pray together a prayer taught by Brother Bo Sanchez. And embodies what I'm talking about, the mission, the purpose of education on financial matters is love. Let's pray together in the name of Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. All together, please. Today, I ask you to bless me, so I may become a blessing. Lord, I commit myself to reach others, because I cannot give what I do not have. I commit myself to become rich. I commit myself to serve you and to serve the poor with my wealth. Today I open myself to the abundance of your universe. Use me as your channel of love. Give me the ability to create wealth that will bless the world. Increase my financial wisdom and expand my territories. I place my life in your hands. In Jesus' name,
Amen.
and Father, Son, Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Good afternoon. And as you settle down, can you tap the person beside you, tell the person, I love you.
I love you.
So why I became member of IMG. So, ano ba yung hugot ko? This is my family. This is my entire family, including my manugang. No? They now reside, my son, and my manugang reside in Australia, Sydney. I bought ako, but when I joined IMG, binata pa yan. No? My youngest daughter was 11. And we were in trouble. We were in financial trouble. And 2 of them are in Lasal, $500,000 per year tuition fee. So talagang nakakalbo yung situation ko noon. No? Ang dami kong utang, dami kong responsibility, nawala ng trabaho yung asawa ko. And 2 years or a year after, ako naman nawala ng trabaho. The good thing is, we're able to attend a seminar similar to this. May bayad. Kayo walang bayad, mga kapatid. Meron ba? Hindi kayo siningil? Paglabas, may singilan ako dito. Pero down payment, palakpakan lang muna. Palakpakan. And remember, I attended that seminar of Brother Bo Sanchez. We paid almost 11,000 kami dalawang mag-asawa. And the rest is history. We were able to recover our lost income. And let me show you the video. Let me play this video by Brother Bo. Siya na magsalita.
And they're dear friends of mine, and they have a huge heart and a passion for helping people in their financial life, because they've experienced debt many years ago, and they were under a mountain of debt. They were able to find something. They learned their mistakes. They have strategies in which they can help people get out of debt. They teach people financial literacy and the wisdom to be able to grow their wealth from debt to become multi-millionaires. So how are we able to do that? I'm going to recommend Ben Vincelli be your financial teacher, your financial owner, because they'll be able to help you. So Benji, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Brother Bo. So, yun yung intro, no? I asked him to give us an introduction. And natinig nyo, we were in Mountain of Yes, tampak talaga ng puta. I'm so blessed I was able to meet up with Brother Bo and learn the secrets. Kasi nga sabi mo, knowledge, di ba, is power. But, more powerful than that is applied knowledge. So dapat, yung matutunan nyo dito, like what I did, natutunan ko, in-apply ko sa buhay ko. So in 3 years, I was able to get out of that situation. And now I'm financially free, teaching people all over the world. Hindi lang po sa Pilipinas. And ito po yung sabi ni Brother Bo sa intro. Sabi niya, friend, tayo yun. Kapag sabi niya sa friend ko pala ni Brother Bo. Diba? Sabi nga, this is your ticket to upgrading your financial life. So, as early as now, I'd like to congratulate you. Your financial life, like what happened to me, will be upgraded, will be uplifted. No? And you need to know these things that I'm going to share to you. Why? A lot of people fail because they lack financial education. We really need financial education. It starts with that. Knowledge starts with education. You can't have knowledge if you don't get educated. At bakit ganon? Ang daming tao nagpipay kahit na mababait sila. Lahat ba tayo dito mabait? Ang bait po talaga, pero I fail pa rin. No, di ba? I work for Angkor, executive ako sa Angkor, 6-figure income. Oh, pero I failed kasi wala akong enough savings dahil I failed to get my financial education. And hindi lang ako, marami pang tao dyan. And people don't plan to pay. Wala po talaga, nagigising sa umaga, sabi niya, I will pay. Pero po bang gano'n? Wala, meron lang ano, di ba? Pagkakaroon na sinasabi niya sa umaga. They just simply fail to plan. So, kulang talaga sa pag-aaral. No? Pangalawa, bakit natin dapat pag-aralan about finances? May mga maling mindset. No? It starts with the wrong mindset. A lot of people believe na financial education, pangmayaman. Oh, may nadinig na kayo, uy, muna akong tumawag mag-invest, wala akong pang-invest. Eh, kaya ka wala nga pang-invest, kasi hindi ko pinag-aaralan. No? So, hindi mo. Meron din. O, mag-iipon na ako pagka nagka-pera ako. Ha? Kaya ka nga hindi ka makaipon kasi hindi mo alam pa paano. No? Wrong mindset. Pangalawa, many believe that the solution sa mga kautangan, mangutang. O, hawakan mo yung katabi mo. Tignan mo, siya yan. Kasi ako yan eh. Dahil sa dami ang utang ko, 7 credit card, mangungutang ako sa isang credit card, pambayad sa isang another credit card. Nangahanap ako mga kaibigan na uutangan. Kilala kayo ganon? Diba? Punta kayo sa CR, Isalame. Nyo, baka tayo yun. Pangatlo, some even rely on luck. Taya na taya sa Loto. Tatama ako. 30 taong may gitna. Napanood nyo yun? Ha? Sa YouTube, andun pa rin yun eh. Taya sa Loto every day. For more than 20 years. Ang laki na ng natalo niya. Ininvest niya yun, multi-millionaire na siya. And many people belong to a community of spender. Pag ang kasama mo ismosa ka. Pag ang kasama mo gastador ka. Pag nasa IMG ka, kasama mo mga investor, magiging investor ka. Diba? So, check naman, sino mga kasama nyo? Tomador? Ay, naku, mga si Pevel. Diba? O, diba? Construction worker, pagsama ko, nag-exercise. Diba? Yan yun eh. So, a lot of people do not believe in preparing for their future. Kaya dapat mabago yung mindset na yan. Do you agree? Do you agree? Pangalawang issue. Actually, these are the issues, no? Mga maliit akala. Low savings and high debt. Ang trabaho ng napakaraming taon, ang ginagamit na pangbayad is credit card. No? Pag may emergency lalo na. Walang emergency fund kasi. And most people don't know how to manage their debts. Their debts, manage them. Nakakanda, meron na, matalo pa sa building. Matalo sa release ng train. And maraming tao, yung salary nila, from hand to mouth, sakto lang. Kahit ngayong umaga, kahit mamaya, ubus na, kahit ulit. Ganoon lang. Tapos, eventually, hand to hand, pambayad na lang sa utang. Na-disgrasya na, wala nang kain-kain. No? Tapos, eventually, touch me not na. Yung ATM, wala na sa kanilang bulsa. Nandun na sa inutangan. Diba? Does it happen? Do you hear me? Nangyayari ba yan? Mga ganung situation? Yes. No? Bakit? Kasi nga, hindi nila alam paano mag-save. No? Car loans, housing loans, salary, ang daming loan ngayon. Naku, may mga tatawag sa inyo. Ako, tawag sa akin. Sabi, approve na po yung credit card nyo. Ha? Hindi naman ako nag-apply. Diba? Uy, pwede po kayo mag-ano ng collateral, walang collateral. O, up to 1 million. Pura lang po interest. Uy, diba? So, ang dali talaga. Kaya ang daming tao may utang. Ang nasa-save, hindi yung mga investment. Ang nasa-save niya, yung mga resibo. Resibo ng utang. Baon, pakipasa na.
Baon sa utang,
yan po ang mga sitwasyon. And ito po isang dahilan bakit kailangan natin mag-aral. Marami po may pang-save na. Okay? Like, sino dito may pang-save? Tapos nga naman, wala, uwi na! I'm sure, dahil lang kayo taas kamay nyo kahit 20 pesos, 20 pesos per pay, 50 pesos, I think you have. Kaya lang, ang problema, namamali, wrong way. Wrong way ang saving and investing. Professionals, no? After working for 20 to 30 years, dahil hindi alam yung tamang pagsisave, they retire without money. Because they did not know and hindi natutunan sa school. Wala lang turo how to invest properly. Nag-invest, scam ka. No? Filipinos are the only people in the world. Tandaan nyo po ito, i-google nyo. Wala pong country na nagbibigay, mandated by the government, ng 13-month pay. Ngayon, kahit si Pero kayong bago, kumikita kayong 20,000 a month, eh si Pero walang 13-month pay. O teacher, or worker kayo sa factory, 20,000 per month. So, ang 13-month pay nyo, malinis, 20,000. Tama ba? Walang tax. Yung 20,000 na yun, ipunin mo for 5 years, 13-month pay lang. Yung every month, siyempre kasama yung sa gagastusin mo. Pero yung 13 month, laging dalawa lang naman ang buwan sa isang taon, i-save mo. Di ba? 20,000. 5 taon, magkano yung 20,000? 100. Then nag-start ka mag-save when you were 22. So pagdating mo ng 27, may 100,000 ka na. Iwan mo lang yan dyan. In a proper investment, yung tamang saving. No? When you turn 60 plus, less than 65, 63 ka, you have 6.4 million. Did you get me? 5 taon ka nag-save, 20 million. Pagdating mo ng senior year mo, multi-millionaire ka. Okay ba yan? Ang problema, wala nagtuturo sa atin saan. Kaya kayo, sakay ng barko, after 20 years, wala pa ding ipon. Diba? Ang naipon, utang. So, kasi walang IMG dati. Ngayon, may IMG na, kaya swerte natin. No? And, ito po talaga ang bottom line niya. Pakibasa.
Di alam ang tama.
Kaya napapasukan, hindi tama. And, in a summary, no? Ito sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, if you want to be rich, you need to be financially literate. Yun po ang first requirement. Kaya dapat aral-aral. Dapat natin mapag-aralan yung mga basic financial concept na nakaloob dito sa libro na ito. No? The secret of saving and building your future. Ano po ba yung mga konsepto na yan? Ready na ba kayo? So, mas maganda kung magte-take notes kayo. So, dito po kasi education eh. So, pag mas kayo na school, nagte-take notes, di ba? Ang IMG po parang school. I will allow you also to record my voice sa cellphone nyo, but you cannot take a video of this session. I will allow certain slides na picturean nyo. So sabi, oh, pwede yung picturean. Yung picturean nyo. But there are slides proprietary. You cannot take picture. Pupupis kayo po yung cellphone nyo, paparakon ko. Okay po ba yan? Deal? Are you ready to learn? Okay, so first concept, building blocks. Pakibasa nga. Building blocks of a strong financial foundation. Dako, napaka-importante kung maintindihan natin ito. Building block eh. Check nyo po ang sarili nyong situation financially ngayon. Nasaan kayo? A or B? Ayan ha. I give you 5 seconds. Check nyo. Saan kayo dyan? May investment na. Dami na mga utang. Tapos matanda sa trabaho. Wala nang utsuras. Wala nang eto. Ay, ako yan! Ako yan! Ako yan! No? Ito pala yung solid. Kasi ito, isang problema lang na matindi-tindi sa sakit. Ano nangyari dito? Kukuho. Tama? Ito, pag may nagka-problema sa sakit, may kukuho ba? Wala, because this is solid. That's why we need to understand how to build it. No? Paano ba yan? Paano ba i-build yan? Because a lot of people are in this situation and they did not know how to build a strong, solid foundation. So obviously, the first thing we need to do is build the foundation. Healthcare. Sabi nga, healthcare. Sa mga nagtatrabaho dito, taas nga kamay na nagtatrabaho pa, you normally have your own short-term healthcare. Short-term. Ibig sabihin, company pay for it. And mga seafarers, you have very short-term. Habang nasa dagat lang kayo covered. Pag nasa lupa na, wala. Unless you're an officer. Ha? Yan po ang katotohanan dyan. At meron din pala, basa. Long-term, pang-matagahanap, pang-habang buhay. O meron ba tayo niyan? Normally, wala. Pero yan ang kailangan. Yan ang una. Yan ang foundation. Nakita niyo ba yung building sa tabi? Hinuhukay muna yan. No? Habang mataas na building, mas lalong malalim ang foundation. Ganun din sa buhay pinansyal. Dapat unahin ang pundasyon. At ang pundasyon natin, healthcare. Long term and short term. Marami kasi nagsasabi dyan, sir, meron na akong healthcare. Ano healthcare mo? Yung HMO ng company, hindi lang yan kailangan mo. Kailangan mo both long term, short term. Kasi yung short term, kaya nga short term pangalan niya, short lang siya habang empleyado ka. No? So, pangalawa dapat meron tayo, basa. Life insurance. May explain ko yan mas matindi mamaya. No? Pangatlo dapat, alisin natin ang mga kautangan. Baguhin natin ang sarili natin. Huwag tayo maglalapit sa mga nagpapautang. No? Mababait dyan pag nagpapautang. Pag singilan na, hindi na mabait. No? Pang-apat, dapat meron tayo emergency funds. Kasi lagi may emergency talaga sa buhay natin. And finally, we need to have basa. So, marami sa atin dito, gusto dito pumunta para matuto mag-invest. Tama? Just like me. When I attended that seminar by brother ko, alam ko machuchugi na yung misis ko eh. So, pambayad sa utang at saka saan i-invest yung maiiwan. Yun ang goal namin. Invest. Pero kung pinakita to, bakit nasa dulo ang investment? Una yung healthcare. Ito po paliwanag dyan. O, ready na kayo maintindihan to? Very important, you really grasp this. If you have investment, say 1 million, 2 million investments, regardless kung bahay, kotse, or investment talaga sa stock market. Tapos may nagkasakit, hindi ikaw. O ikaw, o yung anak mo, kapatid mo, nanay mo, palagay mo, tutulungan mo yan. Of course, di ba? O paano mo babayaran yung hospital kung walang healthcare? Ano gagawin mo? Ibenta mo, investment mo. Eh kung bagsak, bibenta mo pa rin, hindi. Bibenta mo pa rin. Kasi meron lang nasa hospital eh. Kailangan bayaran eh. Tama? O, so panalo ka ba doon o talo? Talo. Kaya dapat meron kang healthcare for the whole family. No? And worst case, hindi lang na hospital kasi entry level lang hospital eh. Ang final level niyan, cemetery eh. Tama ba? Agree? Medyo morbid, pero totoo ba yan? Hospital ka, wala kang pera, tuloy ka na ng cemetery niya. Tama? So, wala ka pang life insurance. What will happen with your family? Ikaw yung breadwinner. What do you think will happen? Diba? A lot of us, including myself, before I entered that seminar, did not know this. Ang alam lang natin, the hunger for investment kasi may kasamang yabang. Diba? Nag-invest na ako. Yun ang alam natin. Mali po yun. Tama na may investment ka, pero dapat solid, kompleto. Do you get me? Oh, yan po. Pag naintindihan nyo to, panalo na kayo sa buhay pinansyal nyo. Naintindihan nyo po ba? Okay, very good. So, yan po yan. So, ang priority talaga is healthcare. So, tingnan yung component ha, healthcare, insurance, elimination of debt, emergency fund, and investment. I am saying we need all. I'm not saying just go for your healthcare. We need to build it solidly. Okay? But the priority, the order of priority is from ground up. Oh, nag-get nyo yun ha? First concept. Sabi nga ni Kuya Rex, my favorite financial mentor, you don't have the right to invest unless you are properly protected. So, protection muna bago invest. Baliktad kasi karamihan, invest ka agad bago nagkukuha ng protection. No? Second concept na tayo. First concept, busog na ba sa kaalaman? So, marami pa po tayong pag-aralan. Pangalawa is understanding how money works. You know, I'm sure, ang situation natin, karamihan sa atin, we work hard for the money. Tama ba? O, para may panggusto sa buhay natin. But not everybody know na pwede pa lang magtrabaho ang pera para sa atin. Anong condition para pagtrabaho natin ang pera natin? Ito lang po ang kailangan natin malaman. Kailangan may pera ka pagtatrabaho rin. O di dapat nandito ka. Hindi ka magkakaroon ng pera magtatrabaho sa iyo kung hindi ka nag-iipon. Talabinin mo nga yung katag mo, sabi mo mag-ipon ka. The more ipon you have, the more money that will work for you. Tama? O, pangalawa, you need to give it time. Hindi mo bibigyan ng time, instant. Gusto natin kasi karamihan, aminin natin, gusto natin. Uy, next month dapat doble pera ko ha. Na-attract tayo sa mga ganyan eh, di ba? Well, I will double your money 2 months. Pasok naman tayong pera. After 2 months, wala na yung kausap natin. Kaya na-scam pala tayo. Wala pong ganun. It takes time for money to compound, to grow. Yes? So we have to give it time for us to give us money back, no? For the money to work for us. Parang tayo. Di ba sa opisina, you're given 8 hours per day for 15 days para makumisweldo mo. You're given time. Walang instant. No? And, dapat aware tayo, anong interest rate na pinaglagyan natin ng pera natin. Minsan, hindi natin inaalam. No? Nakikigaya lang, nakikiuso. No? Naglagay si kumari mo, 9,000. Benta natin yung kalabaw natin, lagay din tayo. Di ba? Oh. And we need to take note, ano ba ang implication ng tax at pinag-iimbesta natin? Clear ba yan? So, we need to make sure lahat ng positive, increase natin. So, dami ang pera, tanggalan ng oras, hanapan ng mataas na interest rate, para yung pera natin will work for us. Yung mga negative, alisin natin yan. And there are investments that are free of taxes. Okay? So, dalawang konsepto. Pangatlong konsepto. Ano yan? Money talk. Strategies of the wealthy. Gusto nyo malaman ang strategy ni Warren Buffett? Kilala si Warren Buffett? Sino nakakilala kay Warren Buffett? Mayaman ba siya?
Yes.
Dapat ba matutunan natin yung strategy niya?
Yes.
Kumpara natin yung strategy niya sa isang mahirap. No? So, kung compare natin yung mindset ng mahirap at yung mindset ng mayaman. Isa natin sa mahirap na mindset. Ang mindset ng mahirap, gastos muna bago ipon. Number 1 yan. Gastos muna tayo. Wala na eh. Sayang ang pera, hindi mo dadala sa hukayan. Gastusin na natin yan. Pangalawa, consider healthcare and insurance as expense. Anak, ano na naman yung pinasukat? Gastos yan. No? Pag uwi mo sa bahay, I think, one of you or two of you or some of you, sasabihin nung hindi matend dito, naku, gastos yung pinagagawa sa inyo. Poor mindset. Pangatlo, works hard for the money. There's nothing bad for working hard for the money. Nothing wrong. No? But kung yun lang ang alam natin, poor mindset tayo. Compare natin sa sinasabi ni Warren Buffett. Rich mindset talaga yan. Very rich. No? Mindset. Very wealthy. Sabi niya, save money and spend what is left. Wow, lupit, no? Multi-billionaire, pero nagsisave pa rin. And he started to save when he was less than 10 years old. Uy, nagtitinda yan ng dyaryo. Ha? Nabasa niyo ba yung niya, no? Ni Warren Buffett? Yung buhay niya? O hindi pa? Naku, napakabata pa, nag-i-invest na sa stock market. Ha? Pangalawa, consider healthcare and insurance as investment. Sabi niya yan, hindi mo sabi. Rich mindset, talagang, ang investment talaga yan, yung mga yan. No? At pangatlo, let's money work for them. Okay, so gusto niyo ba ng rich mindset? Kayahin natin yan. And i-check nyo ulit sarili nyo. It's like what I asked you, ano ba ang financial situation nyo? Where are you now? Poor mindset, rich mindset. And convert. Ako, dito ako din eh. Hindi ako naniniwala sa mga insurance na yan. And ang ginawa ko, nung nabanggit ko, talagang I changed my mindset. How about you? My challenge is change your mindset. Be rich. Alabitin mo ulit yung katabi mo. Be rich. Maybe better way is, sabi mo, congratulations, ang yaman mo. Diba? Congratulate mo siya. Kasi the difference between the wealthy and most people is the way they think in planning for their future. Ikaw ba talaga? Saan ka? PM o RM? I hope we all become RM. Because it starts with the mind and then ends up in the pocket. Okay, pang-apat na konsepto. Naku, napaka-powerful na itong concept na ito and I want your attention. Extern. This really changed my life. Ang financial life pala natin, merong 2 lines. How many lines? 2 lines. One that is going up is the money line. And the one that goes down is the responsibility line. It says that when we're young, wala halos savings. Pero ang laki ng responsibility. When we mature in age, yung gamitin yung old eh, no? Dapat malaki na yung savings. Para yung responsibility, mapababa natin. Did you get it? So ang goal talaga natin, as we grow older, we build our money line para mapababa si responsibility line. And what are our responsibilities? Yan po ang mga responsibilities natin. No? And how do we support it? Usually, we work. Diba? Active income. You have to make kayod para may pambayad tuition fee ni anak. Diba? You make kayod para may kaya. Active income. You don't work, you don't get paid. That's active income. Normally, this is our stage early in life. Dinaanan ko yan. Naging empleyado ako eh. Diba? Pag hindi ako pumasok, walang pay unless sick leave. No? And pag nandito tayo sa stage na to forever, hindi tayo yayaman. Dapat maka-move on tayo from active to what they call passive income. Money that works for you. Earlier, we talked about that. How will money work for you? Diba? Hindi pwede forever ka active income. Now, tanong, saan ang masarap? Active o passive? Asan ka ngayon? Active. Tama ba ako? Most of us starts here. Pero ang masarap na situation, passive income. Today, huwag na lang sabihin, I earn passive income more than enough to what I need. Is that good? I was able to move from here to here. Dapat tayo, kaya din natin. And I know you can. Basta yung matutunan nyo dito, gawin nyo lang. Eh bakit kailangan pa ng passive income? Bakit kailangan natin ng passive income? Kasi andyan pa yung mga responsibilities. Diba? Kahit medyo may edad ka na, I'm 63 this year, kakain pa rin ako, diba? Magpapagupit pa rin ako. Diba? Diet sa barbero, no? Diba? I have to wear clothing, bayad sa bahay, diba? So I still have these needs, and my biggest need will be, how does it relate to the first concept? Building solid financial foundation. Diba? We need to have healthcare, long term. Dito meron yan, employee. Dito dapat sarili mo. Diba? Nabibuild mo yung money life mo, especially for your own healthcare. And in life, there's a big if. In the spelling pa lang, nakita nyo, big if. Tama? What's the first if? A. The second if, B. Any volunteer sa A? Ayaw natin. Pero is that the reality? Hindi kaibigan ka lang na A. O, di ba? As young as you are, meron ng AA. Di ba? Nakakatawa nga kayo. 19 years old, 20 years old, heart attack, unheard of in our time. Tama? Di ba? Na heart attack, mga 50 plus. Ngayon, less than 20 na heart attack na. Kahit hindi Valentine's. Di ba? So, dahil too soon. What if ikaw yan? And you're the breadwinner. Ikaw yung active income source. Anong solusyon? Anong remedy? Anong strategy? Ito ang solusyon dyan. You need to make sure you have income replacement, which we normally call life insurance. Yan yung purpose. I told you earlier, the concept I'll be sharing to you is all about love. Do you love your family?
Yes.
Sino ang love yung family? Raise your hand. Okay, very good. If you love your family, you've got to have yourself protected. You have to have insurance. Kasi kung ikaw ang breadwinner, wala ka, masaya pa rin ang pamilya kahit umiiyak sila. Bakit? I-replace ng insurance money yung income mo. Because you love them, you provided for them life insurance benefit. Ngayon, tanong ko, sino may life insurance? See, lahat tayo, mahal natin ang pamilya natin, pero hindi lahat tayo may life insurance. Yan ang problema. Totoo ba tayo na sinasabi natin? If we're true to what we say, you've got to have yourself protected. Not for you. Insurance is not for the plan holder. It's for your family. Nag-gets nyo? Yan ang expression of love. Hindi kayo makakalimutan ng pamilya nyo. Pag umiyak kayo, ganyan yan. Pero matatanda kayo forever. Kung wala kayong insurance, nakakabulbul yan. Sasama yan sa hukay. Oh, di ba? Pero hindi enough. Hindi enough na puro insurance kasi meron ka pang isang pwedeng harapin eh. Live too long. What if hindi ka mamatay-matay? Di ba? Gusto mo yung mamatay, wala ka ng pera eh. Pero, by side ni Lord, ayaw nga kunin. Paano solusyon? There should also be a solution. The strategy is this. Build your investments. No? Long-term healthcare and investments. So, nakita nyo, kompleto din siya. Investments. That's needed if you love yourself. Long-term healthcare. If you love yourself. Diba? If you love your family, you've got to have insurance. That's in the building solid financial foundation. You get me? So, yan po yung mga bagay-bagay na nung naintindihan ko, sabi ko, bakit ngayon ko lang ikaw naintindihan when I was 51? Ikaw, ilang taon ka? Oo, swerte mo pare ko. Oh, you have a headway of about 23 years. 20 years can make you multi-millionaire if you practice this. Gusto mo maging multi-millionaire? Ako, swerte lang. Siguro, blessed lang ni Lord. In 5 years, I was able to do this. But normally, it takes about 10, 20 years. So, yan po yan. You want to achieve this strategy in your life? Do it now. Apply it now. Do it. Kasi ito po, maraming government-sanctioned programs. EB, SSS, but they're never enough. Parang kanta. Never, never. Diba? Never enough. Diba? Greatest showman. Never enough. Eh, ako, 63, diba? I started to receive my monthly retirement, SSS. I earned 6 figure when I was working. Oh, pension. You know how much I earn or I get from the government? 10,000 naman. Roughly. Max, hindi pa yung max. About 15,000 ang max. I get 10,000. Pang Starbucks. 10,000. So, yun, pwedeng order ng pizza at saka pasta. Starbucks na lang. So, yun ang sinasabi. Kulang. Kulang. So, don't rely on the government. They're good, but they're never enough. No? So, we need to know paano palalaguin talaga yung pera natin. Okay? So, those are the 4 concepts. First one, build solid financial foundation, how money works, yung rich mindset, and the strategy, the X-curve. Now, let's talk about the detail of how to build a solid financial foundation. This is actually chapter 2. No? Chapter 2 to. And the priority is healthcare. Healthcare. Paano natin iintindihin ang healthcare? Healthcare, there are 2 major things in healthcare, long and short. Huh? Alright. Now, but there are 3 classifications. The 3 classifications are short, senior, and long-term care. Let me explain this more vividly in an illustration. Normally, yung short-term healthcare, the company or you pay it yearly. After paying it, wala, hindi ka nagkasakit, wala na yung binayad mo. Ganyan yung health insurance. And normally, it's your benefit as an employee if the company gives it. And sometimes the company gives it partnership. Bayad company. Sharing. No? And it's given in your productive years. Pagka malapit ka ng itsugi, tatanggalin na rin sa'yo yan. I mean, pag aalisin ka sa kumpanya, pare-retire ka na, wala ka na rin healthcare. So, healthcare na short term is HMO. May card yan. Alright? Alright. Now, anong kaibahan yan sa long-term healthcare? Ang long-term healthcare, 7 taon lang binabayaran. Ilang taon? 7 lang, hindi forever. Ito, habang nagtatrabaho ka, year after year. Ito, 7 years. Pero ang gamit mo, ano? Pakibasa. Lifetime. Ito, yearly. Kung bayad yung company. Ito, after paying it for 7 years, you can use it for your lifetime. And, basa. Even grows. If you don't use it, your money grows. Dito, if you don't use it, you lose your money. But we need both. Are you getting me? I'm not saying don't get this. You still have to have short term and long term pag lalo na kung bata ka. Gets? Okay. And this one operates or is used when you're 61 and beyond. Parang ang tsura mo, ganyan. Wala nga healthcare, kawawa ka. Wala mag-alaga sa'yo. Pag may healthcare ka, may pera ka, maraming mag-aalaga sa'yo. Mag-aagawa pa sila. Di ba? Now, if you miss this too, meron pang isang solusyon. No? Kasi hindi mo siya nakuha before you turn 60, meron solusyon, senior care. Yan ang pinakamahal. For about 250,000 coverage, you pay 23,000 yearly. 23,000 yearly. So kung may nanay kayo, tatay na yung walang healthcare, pero senior na, 23,000. Pero pag testability period of 1 year, the next year, kung hindi pre-existing yung sakit, pwede na magamit within a year. Pero kung pre-existing, 1 year of testability. Okay? Alright. Now, bakit kailangan na healthcare? Kailangan ba talaga healthcare?
Yes.
Bakit hindi siya kailangan? Kasi, hindi ka magkakasakit, di mo kailangan healthcare. Pwede ba yan? Wala yata hindi nagkakasakit eh. We can rely on government or our children and even bring our HMO from the company, which is not possible. No? So that's why we need to have our own healthcare. Ang bottom line yan, if you love yourself and your family, have yourself healthcare. Bakit? If you love yourself, syempre protection ng sarili mo ng healthcare. If you love your family, do not burden them. Diba? You can unburden your family by providing for your own. Hindi ka aasa sa anak. Anak, asa na yung share ko. Ang hirap nun, di ba? Although, some of our children may do that. Tama ba? Pero hindi dapat inuobliga. Tama ba? So yan po yan. And I talk to a lot of people coming here. Dito, sinishare ko sa kanila yung buhay ko. Basa daw nila yung libro ko. They come here. They want to be, mentored, how to get out of their situation. And most usual, the issue is, may nagkasakit. Kaya multi-million yung gastos, bound sa utang. So, I don't want that to happen to you. I repeat, it makes sense to say it over and over. I want you to make sure you protect yourself and your family by having your own healthcare. Okay? Kasi wala kang healthcare, wala kang choice. Diba? Pagka wala kang healthcare, di ka makakapunta sa A. Hanggang B ka lang. Diba? May ugot-sito ka, may flu ka. Papa-admit ka sa ospital. Wala kang healthcare. Saan punta mo? Doon pa sa B. Diba? Paglabas mo ng ospital, may TB ka na, may bonus. Lagnat lang sa ito mo. So, saan mo gusto? A or B? A. Therefore, you need to have your own healthcare. And when you get a healthcare, make sure you understand this. When you get a healthcare, it's something that you can use for now, but you can also use for later. Long term, short term. Dapat yan ang hanapin nyo. And, meron dapat insurance benefit. Nagbabayad ka, may nangyari sa'yo. Dapat may makuha ang pamilya. Hindi yung nagbabayad ka, natodas ka, pang-hospital na yung mo, walang makukuha yung pamilya. Yes? And of course, it has to have the capability for your money to grow. Dapat lumalaki yung binayad mo. Hindi nawawala. So maghanap ka ng ganyan. And meron ako alam, i-share ko sa inyo. No? It must have all the four cornerstones. And this is it. This is the complete financial strategy. Healthcare. Di ba? Sa solid financial foundation, that's the first priority. Then you need to make sure you have life insurance. Di ba? Para pambayad ng estate tax or something that you can pay for debts. Dapat, meron ding emergency fund. No? Money you can use for emergencies. Maganda ba yan? And finally, dapat investment din siya that generates income for you. Money work for you, passive income. No, my daughter got her product called Kaiser, which is 4-in-1, which is 3-in-1 plus 1, 4-in-1. Healthcare, income, emergency fund, and investment by this company called Kaiser when she was 11. No, nagbabayad na ako less than 3,000 by 7 years. By the time she turned 60, meron siyang more than 7 million pesos. Ayos ba yan? How about you? Have you prepared for your loved ones? Or for yourself? Dapat maganda natin. Okay? And if you want to know more about that, yung mga nag-invite sa inyo, you can ask them about it. Okay? So, healthcare. Second thing we need to understand is life insurance. Kasi mahirap mong papasok ka sa isang bagay, hindi mo intindido. Kaya dito sa IMG, ang goal talaga, alam. Talagang educate tayo. Ano yung papasukan natin? Hindi yung bebetahan ka lang, tapos kumuha ka, hindi mo intindihan. Wala na. Like most insurance, naku, ang dami kumuha ng insurance, tinago lang yung policy. Sa cabinet, hindi binasa. No? Tapos sabihin nyo, meron ako insurance, 10 na yung policy ko. Anong nakalagay? Basta may insurance na ako. No? Mali po yan. Dapat intindihin natin what's the purpose and how to get what is appropriate for you. So, ang chapter 3 po ng libro na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina is understanding the purpose of life insurance in case you can be there to touch them. Imagine itong bata, wala ito. Paano na itong bata? Todas, di ba? So, make sure you leave a safety net. So, what are the purposes of life insurance? Siya po ang purpose. And the major purpose for me is this. Pakibasa nga po. If put that in your mind. You can take a picture as I point here. This is so important. A lot of us miss this one, including myself. Hindi po ako talaga naniniwala sa insurance. For me, it's morbid. For me, it's lack of trust and confidence in God's favor. Yan po yung mindset ko before. So, I'm confessing to you. Hindi po ako talaga naniniwala sa insurance. But when I heard this, it's all about love. If I really love my family, I should get myself insurance. So, I challenge you also. If you don't have, when I asked you kanina, sino may insurance, very few of you raise your hand. I want you to make sure you get it. Not for you, but your family. Now, anong insurance ang kukunin natin? Dapat alam natin ang features of an insurance. Maraming type kasi yan eh. Di ba? And the cost really goes up every year. So the younger you get it, the better. Oh. Di ba? Kasi habang umiidad ka, nagmamahal. Di ba? Cost is also based on your health. Kung may sakit ka na, hindi ka na halos makakakuha ng insurance. O kung kukuha ka man, papayagan ka, may premium additional. No? And there are no free insurance. And all insurance are term insurance. Term means the number of years you are going to pay for it. No? Yung pinaka-fixed amount nyo. And the basic type is term insurance, which is pure insurance. And an insurance which has mutual fund component. Huh? Ang tawag doon sa mag-asawang ito, ang anak nila si BUN. Pag pinaghalo mo si term at saka si investment, tawag sa kanya BUN. Okay? Now, ang recommendation ko as a financial educator, you buy term, you invest the difference. Pero dapat talagang meron kang kaalaman. At meron kang disiplina. Kung kulang ka pa dyan, it is good for you to buy this. Nagkatsa ka? Kasi baka may tiga-insurance dito eh. I'm not against buying UL. If you don't have literacy and you don't have the discipline. Because it's the best for you, for that situation. Pero kung alam mo na, alin ang best to buy, cheapest to buy, and then you can have the discipline to invest the difference, ay, ito po ang strategy. Buy the difference, buy the term. And another thing, are you listening? When you buy an insurance, buy what is something that is suitable for your age, for your needs, and more importantly, what is affordable. Huwag ka lang pasok ng pasok. Tapos hindi mo kayang tapusin. Sayang ang pera. Na-guess nyo? So, sometimes, hindi yan na-discuss ng agent eh. Ano, may pirmahin ka lang. Ito yung bagay sa'yo. Bakit bagay sa basta? Sa back of your mind. Basta. Ting, 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 ting. Diba?
Kaching.
Ting, 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 ting. Ano yun? Commission. No? I'm not Say, lahat sila ganon, but most. Siyempre, yun ang kinabubuhay. Di ba? Dito po, ang gusto nating alamin, ano ba yung kaya mo at talagang para sa'yo. Di ba? That's the knowledge I want you to gain. Not yung knowledge lang. That's the knowledge I want you to gain, which you need to apply. What is affordable? What is suitable? No? Kakalculate po natin yung suitable. May calculation po yan. And definitely, term insurance is cheaper. Okay? So, another pointer. You can take a picture of this. No? Final test of good insurance. Dapat yan, i-replace talaga yung income mo. No? And, dapat hindi siya nagne-negative. A lot of insurance company, after paying for 5 years, they tell you that you still have to pay. Then you ask, bakit in the last 3 years po, bagsak ang market? Hindi po kumita yung investment portion. Sorry po, you still have to pay. 10 years. Meron mga 10 years punta sa akin. So sabi, 10 years daw po eh. But they are requiring me to pay more after 10 years. May problema. Nag-negative kasi yung investment portion. So pag kumuha ka ng insurance, dapat hindi nag-negative yung investment portion. Clear? Meron po bang gano'n? Meron. No? Meron po niya. And of course, halos ng insurance, may tax advantage. Pag natodas, hindi yan tinataksan. No? At ito, ayan, depende yan sa fund manager. Dapat hanapin mo yung magaling na company with good fund manager so that you can have high return or growth in your investment portion of your insurance. Okay? Kasi sabi ko kanina, buy term, invest the difference. Alright? So, maliwanag po ba? Now, there is a company called MP Life, which is owned by ILG. No? MP Life, multiple option super term 18. It's a fixed payment for 18 years. So, term 18 siya. So, ibig sabihin, kung 30 anyos ka, ilan taon ka na? 42. So, dito ka naglalaro, no? So, say, 9,000 or 1 million every year, yearly. For 1 million. Mura-mura. Magpapamura ka sa pagkamura na. Normally, ako, yung anak ko, started at 25, 9,000 per quarter for half a million. Ikaw, 28 years old. Nandito ka halos, 6,000 pesos, 1 million. 2 million, 2.5 million, 12,000. Oh, 2.5, 5 million, 23,000. Per year, fixed for 18 years. 60 ka na, ito. Hindi, diyan. Basta nag-start ka na. Good for 18 years. Is that good? Huh? And then you can invest the difference in their fund. So yung kaya mo pang i-invest, lagay mo sa fund niya. At hindi nag-negative. Huh? So may mga plan that the person who invited you can discuss with you. Okay? Is this good? First time to see this?
Yes.
Amazing, right? When I saw this, wow! Ba't wala niya nung back before? So, pero talaga, iba talaga yung medyo na. So, now, how much insurance? Ito, kailangan din natin matutunan ito eh. Kasi, online insurance, hindi natin alam magkano. Dapat. Ito pa calculation. Are you listening? You need to get an insurance at least 10 times your annual income. At least. At least. Some recommend 20 times. Ako, you can start with 10 times your annual income. For example, you're earning 40,000. So the annual is 480 times 10. 480. Yan po ang dapat na. Alright. So for more complete insurance need calculation, kausapin niyo po yung nag-invite sa inyo. And I go back to the product I earlier showed you, MB Life. If you're 30 years old, for this amount, you just pay 23,700 per year for 18 years. So here, you're covered for 5 million pesos. Huh? So, okay ba? So, tapos na natin to. Ito, dito na tayo sa managing debt. This is my favorite subject. Managing debt. Alright. So, sino dito ang may utang? Tapos nakakamay? Ako, nung tinanong, pati pa ako. As nalagay, 7-figure debts out of 7 credit cards. Grabe, no? On top of that, meron pa ako housing loan, car loan, lahat ng klase ng loan, except Bombay loan. Yan lang ang hindi namin napasukan. So, we really need to manage bad debts. No? In fact, pag sinabi nyo debts, okay, basahin nyo. Louder. Sounds like debt. Patay, di ba? Pagtaan talaga utang, patay mo talaga eh. Bakit nagkakautang-utang mga tao? Yan po dahil na. It's so easy to get into debts. Valentine's sale. Pati Holy Week sale yata meron, no? Holy Week sale. Sale, discount, no down payment, to pay in the next 3 months. Di ba? Kala natin, libre, may bayad yun. Diba? So yan, kaya maraming tao, people don't have the slightest idea of good debt versus bad debt. And debt can turn into a disease. Nagiging sakit po yan. Ako po nagkasakit din ng utang. No? At kaya alam ko po ang pinagdadaanan ng pumunta sa akin na meron utang. So I've been there. And I know there's a way out. Yan ang mas masaya yan. Palakpakan natin si Lord, laging may pag-asa. Diba? Lalo na yung dito sa IMG. No? At ano yung dapat natin gagawin? We need to change our mindset. Una, ang utang hindi makakasolve ng utang na problema. Yan ang unang-una. Pangalawa, jobs are not so wala po forever sa employment. Kaya yung sinasabi ko kanina, you need to move from active to passive income. No? Lakas. Ako I report to the president direct. When I move from Amcor to Orient, I report to the president. No? So every day nag-uusap kami. Never niya ako sabihan na, uy, mariretire ka. Chip yun na, hindi nagsasalita Tagalog. Pinagalo ko na lang. Sabi sa akin, mariretire ka na 6 days from now. December 27 niya ako sinabihan. January 1, I was out of my job. 2009. Ang saklang. Ang sakit sa dibdib. Gusto kong mag-harakiri at kumuha ng Armalite at ubusin silang lahat. Ganun lang. Although, the good thing is, I was already with IMG. 2007, we joined IMG. 2008, na-retire si Penny, January. 2009, ako naman ang na-retire. Ay, Lord, ang bait-bait ko naman, ba't ako? Diba? I was not expecting. I was just 52. Wow. So jobs are never permanent. I learned that the hard way. And I hope even seafarers, your jobs are not permanent. Tandaan nyo. Government ako, not permanent. Depende yan sa type ng boss mo. Okay? Alright? Third, do not spend money not yet earned. Naku, marami sa atin ganyan. Hindi pa kinikita, nagastos na. Nakutsuan na ng girlfriend. Darling, Valentine's naman. Lunch out naman po tayo. Bago ko lang 5,000 naman per head. Mura, no? Ayan, don't spend. Mga apat. Basa. Naku, marami nagsasabi, save ka ng save. Hindi mo madadala sa hukay. Pag nag-save ka na nag-save, naghahanda ka, may disaster mangyayari sa'yo. Natinig nyo na yan? Eh, ganun mga tao. Alibasa, wala rin silang pera. Kaya nila magpapera ka. Tama? Oh, wrong mindset. And finally, there is no one-time, big-time lang. Kukunti lang po talaga ng bibiyayaan niya. Manny Pacquiao. Nag-iisa yan. Diba? Hindi lahat swerte. nakapag-boxing, naging champion. Hindi lahat. Yung tumama sa loto. O in fact, kahit tumama sa loto, kung walang financial education, ubos. Diba? So yan po yung issue na dapat addressin natin. Money mindsets that will help us get out of debt. You know? And if you want to get out of debt, anong payo ni Boy Abundance? Sabi niya, increase income, reduce lifestyle until you can afford it. And the speed to earn should be faster than the speed to spend. Kasi dapat bisan talaga natin pag-income kaysa paggastos. Pagbaliktad dyan, utang ang lalabasan natin. Pwede kuha nyo yung picture yan. Tandaan nyo. Okay?
Iboy abundance.
Malaking tulong po sa akin yan. Yan po ang pasihan ko kung bakit ako naka-ahon sa utang. And in summary, I have this book. Title niya, Debt Destroyer. Ako po ang author niyan. And ito po yung summary ng mga itinuro ko dyan. If you want to know more about this, you can buy the book. No? It's 200 pesos. All the proceeds goes to Brother Rose Ministry. Ayan po yan. Pag-uusapan po natin yan isa-isa later on. At ito po, na-feature po ito sa I Wonder last year, January, no? Baon sa utang, ngayon baon na sa yaman. I will not play this video anymore, pero yan po yan. The key is financial education. Financial education. So yan po yung about managing debt. To learn more about that, you can consult with me anytime, no? You can come to my office. And finally, last two items tayo, emergency funds and investments. Okay pa kayo? Yes. Are you learning something? Yes. Okay, pinapawisan na yung kiligilo ko eh. Purmax na yung jacket eh, no? So, emergency fund. Kailangan pa talaga ng emergency fund? Of course! Kasi sa buhay natin, may third if. Di ba napag-usapan na yung first two ifs? Di ba? What if dahil soon? What if we need to know? May solution tayo dyan. Eh, what if the third thing happens? What if there is an emergency? Anong solusyon? The solution is emergency fund. No? At ano ba yung mga emergencies na yan? Yan po. Sa Pilipinas, napakadalas masiraan ng bahay ka lang pag tinamaan ka ng bagyo, di ba? Ito, nangyari sa akin. Wala ng work. Kung may sakyan kayo, nasira yung sakyan mo. No? Wala ng material. Wala kang emergency fund. Paano na? Di ba? That's why we need to have emergency fund, which is about 3 to 6 months of your total expenses. This will free you from financial stress. Hindi ka mangungutang at hindi ka mangungumblema. Maraming tao walang emergency fund, ginagamit na emergency fund. Ito pong ginagamit na emergency fund. Huwag yan ang gamitin ng emergency fund. No? Ipon lang po tayo, kahit na 1,000 per month yan. Get a jar, fill it up. Secure nyo lang kasi baka mapag-interesan. Diba? Lalo na wala kang emergency fund nyo. No? So 1,000 per month until you build up your 3 to 6 months of monthly expense. No? So yun po yung the need for emergency fund. And chapter 6 talks about saving the right way. Kasi nga maraming tao, wrong way. Sabi dito ni Warren, pakibasa, do not save what is left after spending, spend what is left after saving. At napaka-importante po, itong first step na to, actually in your journey, this is the very first step. How you will get out of debt, how you will be able to invest. At, no, ang sinasabi niya, ipon muna bago gastos. Si Brother Bo, kumuha siya ng formula. Ang tawag niya sa formula, pay God and yourself first. Prosperity formula. Sabi niya, kung may income ka, set aside mo agad yung 10% para kay Lord. Amen? Tatlo lang nag-amen. Ako din, hindi nag-amen yan dati. Kahit ako, may utang na nga ako, tatights pa. Lord, saka na lang ako, nakababi na ako sa utang. Yan ang attitude ko. And the more I was able to get out of debt. And when I implemented this, wow, blessings come. And after 10%, dapat 20% save mo. Huh? And whatever is left after this, that's what you spend. No, ano ko dati, if I earn because of credit card, I spend 110%. May na-save ako? Wala. Utang. So dapat, tandaan natin ang prosperity formula. Pakibasa.
10, 20, 70.
Malabitin ko, baka natutulog yung katabi mo, sabihin mo sa kanya.
10, 20, 70.
Tandaan nyo to. When I started giving back to God, the blessings overflow. Amen? Lahat belongs to Him. I told you earlier, 1998 po, I earned already 6-figure income. But I never tied what is 10%, what is due me. Huh? When I was out of work and I have debts, I started giving back. Whatever we earn, we give back 10%. And even more today. And guess what? I'm being blessed. You want to be blessed?
Yes.
Give back. Give back. Yun lang po ang key. And prepare your future also by giving yourself 20%. Ang pay ka nga eh. 10% lang kay Lord, sa'yo 20 eh. But that's the way it's done. Mag-budget ka, besh. Sabihin mo, katabi mo, mag-budget ka.
Yes.
Paano ka mag-budget? Una, classify your needs and wants. Iwas forma. Dapat lahat ng gagastusin, dapat may purpose. Yan ba, pag binili mo, may purpose. Kung wala, iwas luho para that's number one. Number two, that I did, and I want to share with you, and it's very effective. Zero waste. Tingnan niyo yung gamit niyo ng tubig, ng kuryente, yung mga tinatapon niyo sa basurahan, pwede yung pagkaperahan niyan. At yung grocery niyo, tingnan niyo, baka sobra-sobra. Baka yung binibili niyo ngayon, nilalagay niyo sa cabinet, meron pang naiwan, expired na. Check niyo po. Iwas, saya. Pangatlo, kahit dalital expense, yung mga hindi natin pinapansin, bawasan natin yan. Malaking pera yan, patingin po. Kahit 33 pesos lang yan, 1 million yan in 20 years. 33 pesos per day can turn into million. I'll show you the calculation later. No? Kasi ang buo, nagsisimula sa kanya. So, palit-lit lang na expenses yan. I'll give you calculations later on. And pang-apat, very important, I also learned from Robert Kiyosaki. You need to know your biggest need. Saan mo talaga yung tagas ng pera mo? And yung understanding of asset and liability is very critical. Wala pa ba? Sino yung accountant? Meron definition kasi yung accountant about asset and liability. Pero, hindi kayayaman doon. Pwede mo yumawa sa definition ni Robert Kiyosaki. Whenever you buy anything, you think about maglalagay pa ito ng pera sa bulsa ko. Asset. Pag meron kang binili, nag-aalis ng pera sa bulsa mo, liability. Isipin niyo yung mga girlfriend, asawa niyo, asset pa sila, liability. Naglalagay pa ng pera, tutunan ko nga ng pera. Hindi, joke lang ha. Yung pag-uwi sa bahay, huy! Alam ko na ikaw! Asset! Hindi pantawa, sa bagay lang ha. Okay. Now, tingnan niyo to. Bibili ka nito, eto, no? Kotse, auto. I have all this. And I did not learn this first. Bumili ako auto, di ko pinarin. Galing, no? Kasi baka masira eh. Yung kotse ko, 3. Dalawa lang ang marunong mag-drive. Bahay ko, 1998, I constructed a house. First house in Sherwood Hills, a golf course, no? For 7 million. Sino nakatira ngayon doon? Wala. Kasi hindi ko sa Makati. Si Inday ang naiwan doon. Pitong rooms. Asset liability. See? Asset liability. po, isipin natin. Sometimes, we don't think, we buy impulse, di ba? Bibigay mo kay bunso, di ba? Totoo ka, binigyan mo ng gadget. Mamaya, pakikita ko sa inyo, ano ang nawala sa inyo. Now, I'm not saying don't buy this, don't splurge on it to enjoy life. If you can afford. But if you cannot afford, and binili mo yan sa utang, like me, I constructed 7 million, 3 million, 4 million doon. O no, 3 million doon, utang. 4 million, cash money namin. So, So if you cannot afford, mali. So, pakibasa. Ang kanya yan. And we need to learn whatever we say, dapat matutunan natin invest. That's our last topic, no? Before we summarize and include another last item. No? So we need to know and harness the power of compounding interest. Sinimplify ni Albert Einstein, before ko na pinag-isa ko earlier. Sabi niya, divide mo si 72 sa interest rate. Malalaman mo gaano kabilis yung doble pera mo. Naintindihan niya? So, number of years, your money will double, simply divide 72 sa interest rate na pinaglagyan mo ng pera mo. Understand it better, illustrate natin by example. Sa 4% ka nag-invest. So, 72 divided by 4 is 18. So, 18 years, doble pera mo. Say you're 29 with 100,000. 18 years from now, ilang ka na? 47. Magkano pera mo? Doble, 200. Another 18 years, 65 ka. Yung 200 mo, magiging magkano? 400. Yan po yung sinasabi ni Robert Kiyosaki. Ay, ni Albert Einstein. Yung doble pera natin. By that factor. Pag nilagay mo sa 8%, every 9 years na doble. Say same amount, same age. Magkano ma-accumulate niya? Kasi doble every 9 years. 2.6 million. Hindi na siya less than a million. No? Pag nilagay mo siya sa 12%, every 6 years, doble pera mo, which is the fastest. So, magkano pera mo after 36 years? Yan yung sinabi ko kanina sa inyo. Diba? 5 years ka nagtatrabaho, yung 20,000 mo, enable mo for 5 years, 100,000. 22 years ka nag-upisa, di 27 ka, meron ka na 100,000. After 36 years, 53 years, 63 years old ka, meron ka ng 6.4 million. Wala kang dinagdag sa investment mo. Yung 5 taon lang na 13-month pay mo ang in-investment. Nag-guess nyo ba? What if you continue to invest? Hindi lang 6.4 ang kaya mo i-accumulate. Exciting ba? So, but we need to learn how to invest. Because a lot of people don't know kung paano mag-invest dito. Ang napapasukan, either scam or bangko lang. Kasi yun lang ang alam talaga natin. Wala kasing nag-educate sa atin. Pag nilagay mo naman sa ilalim ng unan, walang interes. Sa bangko, at least meron konti. Diba? But if you learn how to invest at 12%, tignan nyo to, in 20 years, yung 100 pesos per day mo, sa ilalim ng una na walang interest na pwede pag-interesan, 750. Pag nilagay mo sa bangko, 727. Tumubo kahit pa paano. Pero pag natuto ka mag-invest, paano? Almost 3 million. Saan kaya yaman? Pag natuto ka mag-invest. Paano ka makapag-invest? Kailangan matuto ka mag-ipon. Paano ka makakapag-ipon? Sundan mo ang prosperity formula. Nag-gets ha? Yan lang po yan. What if you do it for long term? 100 pesos per day for 40 years. 28 ka plus 40 years, 68 ka, may 34 million ka. Pugi mo no? Diba? You get me? Yan po yun dapat natin gawin. Had I learned this when I was 28, mas marami akong pera ngayon. Diba? Mas marami akong matutulungan. Now you have the chance. Yung mga bata dito, I'm addressing the young people here, less than 30. Make some noise! Woo! Parang may sinungaling ah. I'm addressing this to you. Do it now. Huwag nyo nang patagalin. Tapos na yung New Year's resolution ng January. Tapos na rin yung Chinese New Year resolution ng February. Huwag nyo lang hintayin yung Holy Week para mag-umpisa. Umpisahan nyo na. Din? Ha? Din? Okay, do it. No? Those who harness the power of compounding interest wins. And those who start early wins more. Time is really of great value. So, kaya ina-address ko sa mga bata. But for those not so young anymore, you still have a chance like me. 5 years, I was able to become financially free. Imagine this. Saan nyo kukunin ng pang-invest? Ito, yung mga small items. No? So, editahin natin yan. O, ito, di ba? Pag Sabado nights. Magkano yan in 20 years? 4.8 million. No? Yung 2 packs per day, 80 pesos, 4.8. Ako, laking pera. Bisyo ba o investment? Gadget, 50 mil. O in-invest mo na lang yan. Imbes na zero value yan, in 40 years, meron 6 million yung anak mo. Okay ba? Ito. Mahilig tayo dito. Valentine's Day. Diba? Every year na lang. 2 beses. 2 tao yan per quarter. 10,000. Magkano yan? In 20 years? Diyan na pupunta yung million namin. No? So I want you to understand that. Now, paano natin siya i-invest? Ito na yung last topic natin. Second to the last topic. Dapat i-invest natin sa stock market. Sino gusto matuto ng stock market investing? Mapag-usapan natin yan. If you love your future self, you need to be invested. Pero ang unang tanong na dapat masagot, tandaan nyo to, ang unang tanong, hindi saan ako mag-i-invest. Ang unang tanong, bakit? Sabi niya, bakit? Bakit ukit? Bakit ako mag-invest? That's the first question. And there's 6 questions. First is for your healthcare. How much should I invest for my healthcare? How about my retirement? How about the education of my children and my own? No? My dreams. Yan yung dapat ang sasagutin natin. How much do I need? So you can calculate where you will invest. Pag alam na natin kung bakit dapat mag-invest, malalaman natin anong vehicle ang sasakyan natin. No? Bottom line is tamang sasakyan sa gusto mong patunguhan. For example, you're investing for your retirement. So retirement is long-term, short-term. Long-term. So dapat ang papasukan mo, itong mga investment vehicle na to. Emergency fund, short-term, long-term. Short-term. Diba emergency fund? Immediate yan eh. Dapat liquid. So hindi mo pwede i-invest sa stock market. Pangkasal mo, i-invest mo sa stock market, baka hindi matuloy ang kasal mo. Diba? Dapat something liquid. No? So, do you get it? Ask why you will invest, and then you can determine what vehicle will be invested. The first question is, dapat natin itindihin lagi, what is my solid financial foundation? Healthcare. How much do I need? Yan dapat natin alamin. And investing in the stock market can be 2 ways, direct stocks or mutual fund. These stocks are investments, ownership, owner ka, part owner ka. At bonds, instrument of indebtedness. No? So sa mutual fund, meron tinatawag na bond fund, meron ding stock fund, equity fund. So bonds are lower risk kasi fixed yung rate. Medyo mostly ba? Pero simple lang siya. Pag sinabi mong bonds versus equity or stocks, owner ka ng stocks. So may risk ka. Pag nalugi ang company, lugi ka din. Pagka bonds, pinautang mo siya, nalugi siya, pinautang mo, babayaran ka pa din on the interest that you have agreed on. So, lower risk ang bonds, higher risk ang stocks. Pero in terms of gain, since higher risk ang stocks, mas higher ang gain. Higher risk, higher gain. Lower risk, lower gain. Okay? Now, ano ba yung mutual fund? This is the investment for beginners, no? Siya yung characteristic niya. Dinamanage ng professional. Hindi kasi tayo professional investor. There are professionals who look at the market daily. Very liquid siya. You can take it to money from shares mo. It's also diversified. Itong mga companies na to, minimum of 10 companies ang pinapasukan ng mutual fund pera natin. Hindi isang company. Sa direct stock, isang company na. Low minimum, with your 500 now, certain mutual fund, pwede lang pumasok. Dati, 1,000 yan. Dati, 5,000 yan. 500, kaya? Alright? And, very transparent. Hindi a secret. You will be able to know where the company is investing our money. And, strong track records. Talagang kumikita ang pera, safe and secure, hindi scam, and gains are tax exempt. Yan ang pinakamalala yan. Okay? Ayos ba ang mutual fund? So, yan po yung characteristic niya. So, sino gusto mag-invest sa mutual fund? Now, those who like to invest in mutual fund, you know, the first thing you need to do, secure first your long-term health care. Yun ang una. Then, supplement it with your mutual fund. No? And direct investing sa stock market, para sa mga baguhan. And do it constantly. No? Certain period, every month ba yan? Every quarter yan. At certain amount, hindi yung, nag-invest ako ngayon. Ay, tumas ang market, huwag muna. Ay, bumaba market, huwag muna. Hindi ganon. Regardless of whatever market trend is, regardless of who the president is, you continuously invest. Yan ang money cost averaging. Nakuha niya? Huwag tumiming, tuloy-tuloy lang. Eh, tingnan nyo, pagka nagsisave kayo, sino kaya mag-save ng 20 pesos? 50, 100, 500, 1,000, a day. A day. So, 30,000 in 30 years, 103 million. My son, I'm so proud of him. He invests 75,000 every month out of his salary. My 25-year-old son. Ang tatay niya, siyempre mas malaki pa. Kayo, kaya niyo magkano? That's a challenge. Putting the knowledge into practice. I challenge you. Hindi nyo kaya ng 1,000 per day, basta nyo sa 20. Di ba? Sino kaya 20 per day? So, di ba? Halos lahat. That will turn to how much? 2 million pa rin yan, mga kapatid. In how many years? Basta consistent. 50! 5 million. 100! 10 million. Wow. 20 years. Alright? Basa. Did you learn about investing?
Yes.
You can ask the person who invited you for a copy of this. Wealth calculator, I call this wealth calculator. And ito po, yung trend, no? Pagka tinignan nyo yung short term, long term, mababa pa lang ang gain. Pero pagdating ng matagal na panahon, sisirin siya. And there are two ways, mutual fund or direct stock. Okay? So, paano ka pipili ng mutual fund? Tinuturo ko dito kung ano ang magandang pag-investan ng mutual fund. So, meron po tayong session every month, twice a month. No? Ilan? Twice a month po. Meron dito about update sa mutual fund. Kaya hindi na nag-invest na, tapos na, hindi. Aralin pa na natin continuously. Okay? So, mahirap kasi pili out of this number of mutual funds. Kaya, we will already give you some recommendations. Okay? So, IFG has access to both direct and indirect stock investing. Gusto nyo mag-trade, meron pa rin tayong platform for that, direct stocks. Kasi hindi daw gusto pumasok direct stocks. You can. I do. Pero 80% of my investment nasa mutual fund. Finally, estate planning. Bakit? You make money, anong katapat ng you make money? Income tax, di ba? Oh, kung pumastos ka, meron ding tax pa rin. Di ba? Kung nag-save ka, may withholding tax. Lahat na lang, puro tax. In fact, kahit mataudas ka, may tax pa rin. Buti nga, bumuot na yun ng gobyerno eh. 6% na lang. Dati, pag more than 10 million, 20%. Ha? So, but still, there is tax. Kaya dapat, nagpaplano. Sa IMG, mayroong company that helps us plan. Bakit kailangan magplano? Pakibasa na po ito. Kaya sabay-sabay, parang iluto mo talaga kayo. Hindi mo tayo nagsasalita. Wala. So, 1, 2, 3, go!
A wise man loves inheritance to his children's children. Proverbs 13:20.
Importante po paano sa puso niyo at sa isip niyo. Kasi minsan, hindi nagsasabi nyo, hindi mo nadadala sa ukay mo. Ha? That's not the advice in the Bible. The Bible says, a wise man leaves inheritance to his children, not just his children, children's children. That's why we need to save and invest. You have to change that. Okay? And you need to make sure that estate mo. Okay? Ngayon, naintindihan nyo na yung mga products that you need to have, financial product that is, paano ka matutulungan ng IMG? Pakita ko muna paano ko natulungan ng IMG. Okay lang ba?
Yes.
This is how IMG helped me. So may turning point kaming storya, I will not show it anymore. Basta ang bottom line niya, tampa kami ng utang because of IMG. We learn, we execute what we learn, we were able to get out of them in 3 years. No? So, ito po ang natutunan namin, yung sinye ko sa inyo, yung secret. Build a solid financial foundation, get out of debt, pay yourself first, and create this for yourself and your family. So that's my challenge. Create it for yourself and your family. Which I did. And then, kasi may access ako sa mga companies. And then, nawalan ako ng work, I took IMG business as full-time business. In 11 years, eto, don't record this or quote me on this. Just to post it on Facebook. Because our company is not about pera-pera. I'm going to tell you what I have earned for this purpose. Of inspiring you to look at the business opportunity of IMG. 11 years, I earned 33 million. Is that good? Good income?
Yes.
I've been given 2 SUVs worth more than 3 million free. Hindi yan, mapakita ko yung SUV, pipicturean, power! Libre. Ha? More than 3 million. I already enjoyed more than 2 million worth of free treatment. Diba, we would like to earn so that we can spend on trips. Tama? Dito, libre sa IMG. That's the kind of business opportunity I would like you to take. So be part of IMG. It has business, real business opportunity that you can transfer to your children. Because that's how IMG helped me pay my debts. The income from the business. Nawala na ako ng work eh. Buti na nawala na ako ng work. Dati, inisip ko, Lord, ba't ako? Ngayon, I thank the Lord. Nawala na ako ng work. So that I can focus on this business. I'm not saying tomorrow, resign, retire from your job. No. Learn the business of IMG, do it. Does not take overnight. It took me 3 years. 2009, January, I was still working, trying to get work. I was a consultant and trying to get a job. January 1, 2010, that's where I focused myself on IMG business. So I transformed myself from employee mindset to a business mindset. Robert Kiyosaki's quadrant. And then, from the business I earn, I invest. Yes, yeah? And you can have the same transformation. Palakpakan. And because of this transformation, I became the debt destroyer. So, yan pong laking tulong na gusto kong ipasalamat sa IMG. IMG enabled us to earn and recover a six-figure income. And up today, again, do not quote me on this. That's what question naman. Today, I earn more than 200,000 pesos of passive income. Today. Every month. How much is your income? Monthly. That's my passive income. Meron pa akong active income. So, good income?
Yes.
And this year, we were awarded the ring for those who earn 5 million in 12 months. Okay ba yan? So, yan yung IMG. Yung isa nasasabi, networking, hindi yan itong business, they just recruit you. No. They recruit you to give you the opportunity. To see the opportunity, grab it, so you can be helped. And then, whatever you earn, tinuturo din dito, where to invest? Yun ang ginawa ko. Dati, whatever I earn, I spend. Wala kasi naturo. Sa IMG, whatever I earn, uy, dapat i-invest. Di ba that's what we learned? Huh? So, money to invest, build your solid financial foundation, and become the debt destroyer. You want to become a debt destroyer?
Yes.
Everybody can follow this pathway. Grab the business opportunity. My question is, who would like to grab the business opportunity? One, two. So, parang wala akong kinausap ngayon. Who would like to get,
Mag-grab ng
you know, trips abroad? Yeah. Sino? Nakuha mo ba ng video? Now, this is how we should do it. You learn that the solid financial foundation is the priority. So that's what I did for my family. I get for myself, my long-term health care, and for my children. And 11 years old ko, when she turned 16, she had multi-million. Because I already paid for her long-term health care. No? Long-term health care, protection, investment, plus emergency fund. As a whole family, we do what we preach. I will not recommend you something I do not do. No? And then I invested. Di ba 2009 na-terminate ako. Whatever I get, I invested. At the end of 2009, look at what the interest earnings I had in the mutual fund I recommend to you. How much? 59%. That means for every million I invest, I earn 590,000. I would not learn that without IMG. Di ba? So, yan po yung benefit of becoming IMG member. And because wala na kami work ni Mrs., ay pag-trip-trip na lang kami. From our earnings in mutual funds, and eventually, from the free trips of IMG. So, we have traveled more than 26 countries already. Alright? And still continue to receive income, even if we are all travel. So, free cruise and travels from 2011 to present as business incentive. So, sino dito ang gusto mag-travel the world? It's a noise! Now, I just don't know, kaya nyo pang no? We have a free trip to Malaysia if you qualify for the 5-5. Meron ang program na 5-5. But if you're a new member, that's an opportunity for you to join us in our convention in Kuala Lumpur, no? So March. Okay? And ito po ang bottom line. It's not about my income, it's not about, nagpadyaryo kami, na TV, no? Hindi yun eh. It's about helping people. Look at this guy. Ano siya? Janitor. Ha? Nag-high school lang. Pero ngayon, sa IMG, hindi siya, anong qualification mo? Janitor, hindi ka pwede. Ngayon, senior marketing director na siya. Ha? Mary Ann Reculto. She is now. Factory worker, earning less than 10,000. Factory worker, Japanese company. So, nag-resign, full-time sa IMG, earning more than 6 times what she earns after work. Why do I want to help her? With special child. Yan po yung mga nagagawa namin. And no matter where you are, whatever age you are in, whatever health situation you're in, we will accept you. Hindi kagaya ng mga traditional companies, di ba? Oops, sandali, sinong bakal mo? Yun ang pinakaulit tanong, di ba? Sino nag-recommend sa'yo dito? Hindi walang ganun. Pogi ka man, o masyadong pogi, pwede ka dito, di ba? Kahit sino. Okay? At kahit saan kang lupalot ng mundo, because we have IMG all over the world. So, sino dito may mga kapatid sa abroad? We can touch base with them. Ayan po, gaya, punta kami sa Qatar. Nagpunta kami sa Qatar. Now, ako yun. Kayo naman, paano? Gusto niyo malaman? Paano kayo matutulungan? Simple lang. You just join. There is a one-time, lifetime free membership, not free membership, membership fee of 4,500, which we renew every December. Renewal is 1.5. But if you join today, 4.5 lang siya. You add 500 pesos, insured ka na for 50,000. Amazing? Now, tinignan ko yung record ko. How much do I pay my credit cards annual fee? 4,500 din. What do I get from my credit card? Para makautang. What do I get from my 4.5? So I can build a business. Saan ka panalo? IMG membership. At hindi lang yun. Marami pang benefits on the side. Ito po. Video yan. I will not show that anymore. Ito na lang. Free education. Kaya po may mga libro, kasi may mga education talaga. Workshops and seminars. No? At meron tayong free financial check-up. After this, you go to the person who invited you, gagawa ka ng financial strategy suited for you. Is that good? Libre. This costs about 10,000 per session. Libre dito yan. No? Pag ako pa nagbigay, more than that. No? Pero dito sa IMG, libre. And you can be even certified as Associate Financial Planner. Sino nakakaintindi ng Associate Financial Planner? Wala. But this costs about 14,000 abroad, no? And dito sa Pilipinas, more than 5,000. Dito sa IMG, you just pay 1.5. 1.5. May bayad. Associate Financial Planner. So it can be registered. Tapos may access ka to the products that will be needed to build your solid financial foundation. Like, eto, napakaganda na ito, Kaiser, which I strongly recommend you start with. Then you get your life insurance. Ito, yung 50 pesos. 500 pesos. Baka mag-abono ko. 500 pesos. And, of course, meron din mutual fund. Zero entry fee. Baka hindi nyo alam. Pagka kayo nag-invest sa mutual fund, pupunta kayo sa broker, every time you invest, papawasan yung investment nyo ng 2 to 3%. Ano bayad? Ngayon, yun yung broker's fee. Pag binenta mo, bayad ka ulit. Dito sa IMG, anong natawag? Zero entry fee. Tapos may seminar ka pa, libre. Yung 4-5 mo, yun na yun. You cannot invest in IMG through IFG in mutual fund without becoming a member. Yun lang ito, no? Tapos, gusto mong gawin yung business, may libreng online platform, Dominate Tool, and you can be coached by the online experts. No? Tapos, meron kang Everest Memorial Services, free for you and your direct family. Just a call away. Yung mangyari, ito yung para sa asset preservation. Bibili kang kotse, may discount ka. Malaking discount. Tapos, meron kang discount sa Globe. So, pag naging member ka ng IMG, hindi lang yung access and education ng mga kotse. No? Ito pa, bibili ka na sarili mong insurance para sa bahay mo. Meron kang about 6 to 10%. Bibili ka sarili mong kondo. Meron kang 2 to 3% depending on your level. 2 million in property, that's 40,000 discount. Magkano membership? Panalo-talo. Panalo-talo, di ba? O, ito pa, bibili ka ng memorial lahat. So, punto-tum talaga siya. Ito yung mga online expert, may discount na. Tuition fee mo, may discount. So, ang IMG is an opportunity we give to people who wants to save and invest. Yun po yan. No? Frame, libre, dalawa. Bro, sa IMG na ba yung frame mo? Hindi ba? No? Dalawang frame per year. Babayaran lang natin. Lens. Unlit consultation. Gusto niyo itong unlit consultation? Grabe, oh. And discounted medical services. Wala kang magawa. Every week gusto ka sa doktor? Pwede. Tapos ozone. Oh, medyo senior ka na. Medyo bata-bata ka. Pa-ozone ka. May discount. About 1,000 pesos per session. At the best is the reward. And I encourage you, don't just save and invest for your family. I want you to share this. So, sino gusto mag-share to family and friends? Now, when you do that, like I do, now I have more than 26,000 members all over the world. Eh, ang laki na ng business ko. But me, you can be the same. No? And you can travel the world. Yan ang pinakamasarap dito. And you'll be given watches, rings, SUV, no? And meron dito HMO coverage. So kahit na marketing director ka o senior marketing director ka, yan, MDs, SMDs, and executives, bibigyan ka ng health care. So yung health care mo short term, kahit wala na sa from the office, because you're doing IMG, provide ka ng IMG. And then since you have your long term, kompleto ka na sa iyong foundation. Galing ba? Magaling na. So, these are all the benefits. For your membership of 4,500, wala bang palakpakan? I told you, then ako lang sa seminar kay brother ko, what did I learn? I just learned the access to IMG. I paid more than 5,000. But when I paid my membership sa IMG, I got all these benefits. Panalo? So, sino gusto maging member ng IMG? Raise your hands! Make some noise! Woo! Parang ayaw mo ah. Gusto mo na. Okay, good. And summarize ko lang. We get educated on all aspects. Totoo to. We have workshops, 2 hours per session that details how you will increase your cash flow. And the last workshop today is about business. We learn about the business. So, training and support, how to manage your money. And then, you can access hundreds of financial products and services. What's the significance of the companies to be represented? Kasi marami sasabi, scam yan. Uy, papalo bang ang Ayala or SMDC to scam? Of course not. But we represent them. Even the building owner of World Trade Center is owned by Mega World. It's part of our group of companies. Save money. Save money. And third is you earn income. Pakibasa na? By? Ulit. By? This is really fast-growing industry. Be in the financial industry. There's no other bigger industry. And travel the world as a business incentive. That's how IMG can help you and everybody to be myself. No? So I like to join you, come, join us, and even enjoy world-class recognition. So this coming August, we'll go to, alam niyo yung Leaning Tower of Pisa? Doon kami pupunta. Libre this year. Last year, saan ba? Saan ba namin trip? Saan ba tayo last year? Korea? Yung libre trip? Hindi. Hindi. Sa Spain, sa Barcelona. We were in Barcelona. So, for all the details, kung gusto nyo pang i-review sa inyo, talk to the person who invited you. But really, my strongest appeal for your whole family is be part of IMG. start your saving and investing. Because it's time to take your action. Bakit? Kasi, kung may excuse ka ngayon, one thing for sure, next year, tanda ka na naman. And you will eventually retire and stop making money. So therefore, you need to be prepared for the two things of life. Die too soon, live too long. Kailangan preparado tayo. Plus, of course, the emergencies. And implement the solutions for long-term care. Yes? Insurance, yes? And investments. So those are the things we need to take action. But of course, as you do that, continue to be educated so that you can be a financial educator also. Act on your financial need and make the right choices. And the good news is, whatever situation you're in, may problema ka, wala kang problema, mayaman ka, wala kang pera, you can make a change. Like me, you can go from broke to being blessed. No? You can start with today. So raise your hand if you're starting today. Make some noise. How? Simple lang. Number one, financial check-up. So don't forget this. Maraming pupunta ng medical check-up pero madalas na may sakit pusa. Kaya dapat meron tayo financial check-up. They will do this for you. So, i-create yan. No? And you will just be asked some information to create your own financial strategy. Malalaman ano yung appropriate for you and how much you can accumulate. And then the second step is you become a member. No? Expedite building a complete financial strategy by changing the things you do in your spare time. Do the IMG business. No? Earn and learn multiple sources of income. No? This is to help yourself, your family, and friends so that you can also achieve financial income. And the third step is this. You join IMG not just to invest, not just to become a business owner, but to attend workshops so you can learn how to become your own financial educator for your family. Yun po ang kailangan natin. Hindi po tayo clients dito. We're educated financially with the hope of becoming a financial educator in your own group of family. So it all starts with financial education. And the bottom line of all of this, again, is love. So again, touch the person beside you. Tell that person, I love you.
I love you.
Kaya kita in-invite dito kasi love kita. Diba? And it's really all about love. Love of yourself. You did, right? Love of your family. Love of the people around you. And in the Bible, it says, love one another as I have loved you. It's a commandment. No? And what we do in IMG is the fulfillment of this law, of this command. Love one another. So with that, I'd like to again to tell you, if you did it, you can do it too. No? Join our mission now. And I'd like to bring back the glory to God. To God be the glory. Thank you very much for listening. And I want to all the audience for the financial check-up. But before I do